Okay everyone, my name is Mary Leprevo. I live in Guernsey, the Channel Islands, and we have a recipe for an apple cake that takes us back many years, and it's called gâche melon. Now, what I've done, I've prepared all the ingredients: 3 pounds of apple that's peeled, so it's 3 pounds of peeled apple, a pound of granulated sugar, we've got 3 eggs, we've got half pound of suet. Now you can use the beef one or you can use the vegetable one, and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then you'll have your milk, and you can use whichever milk you want. I use green, and you use as much as you need to mix it up, and I'll show you when we get to that. So now for the apples, these all need to be chopped up into small pieces, which I'll do in a minute. All around your pan and the bottom, just smother it with butter or even margarine if you like, and put your apples in. And what I do, I just chop them all up like this, and I'll chop all these up with sugar. Once these are a bit smaller, when they're a bit smaller, I'll add the sugar, and then I chop the apples again in the sugar in the pan. And what happens is that the sugar brings out all the apple juices, and that's what we need. It's a very easy recipe. It can be very sweet depending on how much sugar you actually use. I mean, the recipe is a pound for this size pan here, so it's a baking pan, but I don't use all of it. I have about, I suppose, a couple of ounces left, so I don't like it too sweet. It's nice to have it a bit tart. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get the sugar and then put most of it in like this. Now you're going to need some to put over the top when we finish doing and mixing everything in. So what we're doing is cutting it again, like so. Keep cutting it until the juices run free. It'll take you about 10 minutes, I suppose. It's a bit tedious, so I'll stop the video and show you when I get to that part. And don't worry about if your apples go a bit brown. It doesn't make any difference to the recipe.